Friends, let's see the continuity of ionic equilibrium. We are in indicators concept, that is already we discussed about Ostwald theory. We gave the example for acidic indicator and basic indicator, okay, how the color changes are happened. Now another theory we have, quinonoid theory or resonance theory. So completely advanced topic, and also JEE and NEET concepts also. If the paper is difficult in nature, so maybe chance from this topic, okay. And this is the last class. We discussed about molecular equilibrium and ionic equilibrium and dissociation constant, weak acid dissociation constants and pH concept and indicators, okay, and acid base concepts completely. So nearly it is three parts, okay, very big unit, okay. So however, this is the last class today, and one more class is there that I will send graphical representation of the acid base titrations. So very important that concept. So just only we have the graphical representation that will send through my WhatsApp group as image, okay. So follow that and write the notes properly. Now see resonance theory or Ostwald theory. Acid base titrations, in that we completed Ostwald theory. Now we go for second theory, quinonoid theory. Quinonoid theory. Also we call it is resonance theory. Quinonoid theory of indicators or resonance theory, okay. So according to this theory, acid base indicators, we have two types of indicators here, acid indicator, base indicator. Acid base indicators exist in two tautomeric forms. Two tautomeric forms. Tautomers. Tautomerism is an isomerism concept, okay. Suppose A gives rise B, again B gives rise A. Reaction at equilibrium. They are interconvertible, having different structure, is called as tautomers. Suppose this is A, this is B. A gives B, B gives A. Reversible. Am I right? Interconvertible. Am I right? So AB, BA. Equilibrium. Reversible means equilibrium here. Okay, both are having different structure. Is called as tautomers. Here, an acid and base indicators are interconvertible. Okay. Interconvertible in acidic and basic mediums, okay. So according to this theory, acid base indicators exist in two tautomeric forms, okay, in acidic and basic medium, okay. Now one tautomeric form form is interconvert into another tautomeric one tautomeric form is interconvert into another tautomeric with particular medium, that is acid or base. Particular medium both tautomeric forms are at equilibrium both tautomeric forms are at equilibrium. Clear? That means reversible reaction. Both tautomeric forms are at different structures. Okay, different structure. Let's see. One tautomeric form in acidic medium and another tautomeric form in basic medium. Okay, one tautomeric form in acidic medium and another tautomeric form in basic medium. Clear? One tautomeric form in acidic medium and another tautomeric form in basic medium. Clear? Suppose A in acidic medium, B in basic medium. Okay, clear? Due to interconversion of tautomers, change pH values and it causes color changes of tautomers. Due to pH changes, okay, due to interconversion of tautomers, change pH values and it causes for color changes of tautomers. Tautomers means indicators here. Phenolphthalein indicator, methyl orange indicator. I will explain with the diagrammatical also, equation form. Okay. During the conversion of tautomers, acidic medium changes to basic medium. Acidic medium changes to basic medium, and basic medium changes to acidic medium. Basic medium, acidic medium, basic medium, interconvertible. Okay, interconvertible takes place. Okay, so why indicator shows colors? Tautomers, why tautomers shows colors? Due to interconversion between the tautomers. Let's see. So we have two types of tautomers here. Those one is this is benzonoid tautomer. Benzonoid means this is the benzene ring. Which one having benzene? That is benzonoid tautomer. This is the benzene. Okay, this representation is benzene here. Now this is the tautomer. We call it is benzonoid tautomer. Why? If it consists of benzene, then it is called benzonoid tautomer. Now, which is interconvertible, either acidic or basic medium. Suppose it is acidic medium. In basic medium, it converted another tautomer, or it is basic medium, it is converted as another tautomer in acidic medium. Okay, so mediums also convert due to conversion of tautomers A to B or B to A. Let's see. And quinonoid tautomers means that compounds consist this type of structure. This type of structure is called as quinonoid. Quinonoid tautomer. Here we preferred H plus or OH minus. Remember this. OH minus or H plus basic medium. Remember this. These are at equilibrium, am I right? Reversible, forward, backward. Reversible, am I right? Reversible, clear. And interconversion, am I right? This one as, again this one interconversion. Due to these interconversion, colors are source of tautomers. Okay. So due to the interconversion of tautomers, change their pH values and it causes for color changes of tautomers. Suppose it is colorless, it becomes pink color. It is pink color, it is colorless. Okay, clear? So during the conversion of tautomers, their mediums also changes. Suppose it is acidic medium, due to the conversion it converted as basic medium. Suppose it is basic medium, it converted as these tautomers. So its medium also changes. That is the meaning of this. So one tautomeric form in acidic medium, then another one is basic medium. Okay, remember this. So if any component or phenolphthalein indicator, whatever it consists, this structure it is benzonoid form, and this structure it is called quinonoid form. Remember this. Okay. Phenolphthalein indicator in acidic medium in acidic medium colorless. It tautomeric form is benzenoid. Benzenoid tautomeric. So when phenolphthalein in benzenoid tautomeric condition, it is colorless. Okay. So medium is acidic medium. In acidic medium, phenolphthalein indicator is colorless, and in acidic medium, phenolphthalein indicator in which form? Benzenoid form. Benzenoid tautomeric. In acidic medium, it is benzenoid tautomeric and it is colorless. Okay, clear? Remember this. Okay. And one more important point here. Phenolphthalein indicator remember this acidic medium means we represent simple H plus. Suppose HCl, it gives H plus acid. Basic medium that we represents OH minus like NaOH, KOH. Basic medium, phenolphthalein indicator in basic medium is pink color. It tautomeric form is quinonoid form. Quinonoid. Phenolphthalein indicator in basic medium, what is its form? Quinonoid tautomeric it is. What is the color? Pink color. Okay. Phenolphthalein indicator in acidic medium, it gives benzenoid tautomeric and it is colorless. Phenolphthalein indicator in basic medium, it is pink color. What is the form of the tautomeric? Quinonoid. Okay. So now in the phenolphthalein indicator, let's see. In this case, phenolphthalein indicator, this is the benzenoid format, am I right? This is benzenoid, am I right? Benzenoid form, not benzene, benzenoid form. The compound which consists of benzene ring. So whatever some groups are here added, I will explain here. Okay, it is interconvertible. Suppose phenolphthalein, this is benzenoid form of phenolphthalein, suppose, which is colorless in acidic medium. Okay, and it is converted as quinonoid form, which is pink color. Which medium? Basic medium. Here it is acidic medium. Okay, here we represents OH minus and H plus. Listen. Now this is the basic form. In the basic medium, quinonoid form, we add H plus in this direction. This is the quinonoid form. We add acid, that means acidic medium. In acidic medium, it gives benzenoid form. Am I right? In this direction, quinonoid form is already in the basic medium. Now we add acid. It converted as benzenoid form. In the benzenoid form, what is the color? Colorless and acidic medium. We add acid, so it is acidic medium. Quinonoid form converted as benzenoid form in the acidic medium. In the acidic medium, it is colorless. Clear? Now come to benzenoid form. It is already in acidic medium. Okay. Now we add base. It converted as quinonoid form. So in the basic medium, it is quinonoid form. So it is pink color. Is it clear? Benzenoid form. When we add basic medium, it converted as quinonoid form. In the basic medium, what is it? Is pink color. Basic medium. Now this is quinonoid form, which is at basic medium. Now we add acid, then it converted as benzenoid form. In presence of acidic medium is colorless. Okay. So I will explain phenolphthalein. This is in the case of phenolphthalein. Okay. So let's see the example, this phenomena as phenolphthalein as an example. The structure of phenolphthalein is this is OH, this is benzene ring, this means benzene ring, this is also benzene ring. Benzene ring means like this. We can also represent like this also, you know. Here it is OH, it is also benzene ring. This is phenolphthalein indicator. In acidic medium, what is its color? Colorless. Okay. We can represent this. Now it is in acidic medium, am I right? Now we add base in this direction. You observe, we add base. Okay. Now this bond breaks. Okay. C bond, O bond breaks. Now this get plus and this get minus. Okay. Now this is plus and minus. Interaction takes place between plus and minus. So let's see. C double bond O minus. What about here? OH. This OH minus attacks here and it is separated as C double bond O minus. Now this is as usual. Clear? This is triphenyl. These are the phenyl rings now. Triphenyl carbinol. What we call it is carbinol. Triphenyl carbinol, this compound. Now it is further with OH minus, 2 H2Os are eliminated by adding base again. Okay, by adding base again. Okay, 2 H2Os are eliminated. Now this structure is modified as, this is C and this one as it is benzene ring, and this one as this is O minus, this structure is converted as benzenoid format, and this is C double bond O minus, C double bond O minus. Now if you observe here, this is completely benzenoid form. Okay, now this one is clearly quinonoid form. This ring is quinonoid. Due to this, it get pink color in basic medium. We add OH minus in this direction. Okay, am I right? Now we can also resonate this. Resonance means this again interconvertible, again this one again interconvertible. Let's see how it is. This is C. Simple, this structure like this, and this one converted. O minus. Just exchange the structure. These two are resonant structure. What we call it is resonance. I think you have the concept in organic chemistry also. Due to the resonance, the molecule get good stable. Resonance structures. So what is the form here? Benzenoid form. Here also benzenoid form. So due to this, what it gets? Pink color in basic medium. So if suppose in the option it is red color, there is no pink color in this case, keep the answer red also. Okay, so pink. So this is about phenolphthalein indicator in basic medium. Its benzenoid conversion as quinonoid. Okay, clear? Is it clear, ma? So in acidic medium, suppose we add, again this reaction is reversible, we add H plus, again we get this structure. Again quinonoid form is converted as benzenoid form. In the benzenoid form in acidic medium, what we get? Colorless, reversible entirely. Okay, clear, ma? So this benzenoid is converted as quinonoid form. So colors in the benzenoid acidic medium, it is colorless. When we add base, it converted as quinonoid form, it is pink color. Okay, in the sum of the book it is red color also, remember this. Phenolphthalein indicator, pink color you should remember. Okay, is it clear, ma? Up to having different structures or not? Different structures. Benzenoid and quinonoid forms are different structure, but they are interconvertible. Due to this interconversion, they shows their colors due to their pH values change. Okay, this is about phenolphthalein indicator. So why we call it is resonance theory? Resonance structures, sir, we can able to write. Okay. So double-headed arrows there, don't forget that. Now next one is methyl orange in this concept. Methyl orange, opposite that simply. Methyl orange in the form of benzenoid form in basic medium benzenoid form, benzenoid tautomeric form. Benzenoid tautomeric form in basic medium gives yellow color. Yellow color. These are the bits, direct bits. Methyl orange in the form of quinonoid tautomeric form in acidic medium. Acidic medium. Acidic medium means H plus, basic medium is red color. Okay, basic medium yellow and methyl orange in acidic medium red color. What is that form? Quinonoid form. Okay, opposite to phenolphthalein indicator here. So let's see the structure of this one. SO3 minus bond NH bond N double bond So what is this form? This is C double bond, C double bond. This quinonoid form, am I right? Quinonoid form. Quinonoid form means which medium? Acidic medium. Acidic medium. This is the methyl orange format. Tautomeric form of methyl orange, one of the tautomeric form of methyl orange structure. Basic medium, in acidic medium what is the color? Red color. Now it is undergoes H plus and OH minus. Okay. So in this direction we add base. Now it is already in acidic medium in the backward direction. Acidic medium. In this forward direction we add OH minus, that means acidic medium converted into basic medium. This is the backward. This is forward. Now for this, in acidic medium we add base, it's converted as simply SO3 minus bond and double bond and bond. Completely this one becomes benzene ring, and you can write this also like. Is it clear? Okay, good. It's completely benzenoid form. Benzenoid form. Why? Because it is acidic form. Quinonoid form we add base, then it converted in basic medium and benzenoid form. Basic tautomer. Benzenoid tautomer, this one quinonoid tautomer. Okay, both are tautomers having different structure. Suppose this is, what is the color? In basic medium. So in basic medium it is yellow color. Yellow color. So both are methyl orange structures, but tautomers, they are interconvertible. So colors are changes due to interconvertible. So now this is a basic medium. In the backward direction we add acid. In the acidic medium it gets quinonoid structure. It shows red in color. Clear? Now in the forward direction, for this quinonoid structure we add base. It gives benzenoid structure which is in basic tautomers, which is in clearly yellow in color. Is it clear, all of you? Everyone? Is there any doubt? Now tell me. So what are the tautomers? Tautomers are interconvertible, am I right? Tautomers are interconvertible. Clear? All of you? Everyone? So now what is the color of quinonoid form in acidic medium? Clearly, can anybody? Clearly it is red color, am I right? Clearly red color. In the benzenoid form, what is its color? Yellow. In which medium? Basic medium. In the forward direction, this is, we add OH minus, that it convert basic medium. Clear? In the backward direction, we add acid, so it converted acidic medium. In acidic medium, it is quinonoid form. What is the color? Red color. You should remember this. These are the two example for quinonoid theory or resonance theory. Okay, clear, all of you? So very, very important. So I will send it some graphical representation through my WhatsApp. So pay that also in the notes. Very, very important. So in the titration, weak acid and weak base, strong acid and strong base, and strong acid and weak base, and weak strong base and weak acid. So what are the graphical representation of the pH scale? Okay, so that we'll discuss through WhatsApp. So if you have any doubt, ask me. So write the notes. This is the entire about chemical equilibrium and that molecular ionic equilibrium and acid and base concepts. Okay, 3 parts. Okay, very, very important. Expected bits in JEE and NEET, even last year also. Okay, so write the notes properly.